What's up? What's up? What's up? Of course, it's me, your boy Richie Rich at Consumer Appliance Report. Shoot another awesome video, cause that's what we do. Man, what's up? What's up? What's up? You know, at Consumer Appliance Report, we review appliances. Today, of course, we're gonna focus on a Maytag dishwasher, top control dishwasher with 3rd level rack and dual power filtration. This portion of the video is just an intro to the appliance that we're going to work on. We're going to go into the lab, dissect the appliance, let you know exactly how we feel about the appliance. We're going to break it down with the price, how much it's going to cost you. We're going to talk about the parts and, of course, cost per repair. We're also going to talk about the warranty as far as the manufacturer warranty and the functions and features as well, and give you our overall review to let you know exactly how we feel about this dishwasher. All right, so a couple key features that we can talk about on this particular unit. You're going to scroll down a little bit, talk about product description, features. You have dual power filtration. Again, we're going to be real generic on this video, but we're going to dissect the appliance and give you our review once we're done. It says steam sanitize option. The steam sanitize option lets you confidently wash important items with a high temperature rinse that removes 99.999% of food soil bacteria. 3rd level rack. All right, so that's another thing that we can talk about. It also has a power blast cycle. Additional cycles that this unit have is that it's a long heated dry option. Use the temperature with an internal heater to reduce excessive moisture inside your dishwasher. Fingerprint resistant stainless steel, easy to clean. So we got to think about that. As far as the quietness of this particular unit is 47 decibel. It also has a 10-year limited warranty on parts. All right, on the rack, the chopper blade, and the stainless steel tub. Let's go over to our right. It says shorted heated dry option. Also has a leak detector, which is good. That helps your machine not leak on the floor and damage your property. Of course, it is an American company for over 100 years. We got to consider that. Whirlpool's been around, started in 1911. Premier ball bearing rack glides, touch controls. It also has full stainless steel tub, end of cycle indicator, and of course it's Energy Star certified. All right, so when we're talking about a particular appliance, man, Maytag dishwasher, we'll let you know how we feel about this unit. Until then, you already know who I am, man. I'm your boy Richie Rich at Consumer Appliance Report. You help me, I help you, we both help each other. Till next time, I'm out of here, man. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're out. Peace.
If you